All right, as if election day, election eve isn't enough, now we have to deal with this line of storms.
Yeah, so there's a heavy rain falling across parts of the mid-state now. We showed that earlier, and that may lull folks into thinking, okay, this is it. You know, it's windy, it's raining pretty hard. That's not it. The line of storms is still forming. It's near the Mississippi River, and it is headed towards us. So this is what the satellite and radar looks like right now. You see that batch of rain. It stretches from Nashville north along Interstate 65. This is not our concern for severe weather, although it is packing some pretty hefty downpours, and very gusty wind is in place all across the mid-state. It'll be windy all night tonight. The main concern, though, is now you're starting to see some of the lightning come together on this line, this broken line of storms over towards the Mississippi. This is going to congeal together into one squall line, and embedded within that line is the risk for widespread damaging straight line winds and, unfortunately, the possibility of some isolated tornadoes. Timing has not changed on this. Still looking at that line to be kissing the western edge of our area at 7 o'clock right after this newscast. It'll be marching towards Interstate 65 between 9 and midnight. Think downtown Nashville closer to 10 o'clock at night. And then I expect the line to be exiting the plateau by 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's going to be a bumpy night for us. Here's a key thing to know. Once this line does pass you, you're in the clear. So you need to get on the back side of it, and then you don't need to worry about a severe threat for the rest of the night. But if it's still coming towards you, you need to have a way to get weather information. Our Storm Shield app, staying close to us here, your weather radio, all great resources. This is a look at the computer modeling. 9 o'clock at night, you see that line starting to come together. We're expecting to see some Boeing segments along that line, which would have the potential for 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Into the downtown area closer to 10 to 11 o'clock at night. The line around 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, that's when it'll start to climb in those higher elevations. And then I expect it to exit the plateau by 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. On the back side of this, when you wake up on your Tuesday, a lot of kids out of school tomorrow because it's election day, we're talking sunshine, blue skies, easy weather. We just have to get there. Storm Prediction Center maintains our area in an enhanced risk. That's a 3 on their category from 1 to 5 with that damaging straight line wind, the primary threat. But along squall lines, it's not unusual for us to get spin up tornadoes across the mid-state. The line will be moving very quickly, which means whatever tornadoes do pop up along the line will be quick hitters and they'll likely be rain wrapped. The short version is you gotta have a way to get that information because you won't have a lot of time to seek shelter if a warning is issued for your area. Keep it weather aware tonight. Rain ends by daybreak tomorrow. Sunshine, blue skies. I'm actually going to call Tuesday afternoon, your election day, the best weather day of your week. By the time we get into the afternoon hours, it'll feel more comfortable. Sunshine, easy, no challenge for the drive time home. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we get into a murky weather pattern. Cloudy, some stray showers around, but no thunderstorms, no severe weather is expected once we get through tonight. And I think best of all, this weekend, we've got sunshine. Cooler weather, but we've got sunshine. Stay with us. Team coverage continues next on News Channel 5 at 6.